Hey Ace, there's a set of scales that I have to program. So I'm going to show you how I lay it out and how I start. You already have a pair of scales that you're working with. So I have the scales here on the screen. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new component. And that new component is going to be material. I'm gonna create a sketch off the bottom plane, and the sketch is gonna be my material size. So I'm using a 12 inch by 18 piece of material. And you can just drag it to where you got to be for where you're going to start on your material. Finish the sketch, and under the material, make sure it's highlighted, that you're working in the material. We're going to extrude it, and your material is 3/8. So now your parts are in the material. Let me go into bodies, and we're going to go opacity. So we can still see the parts in the material. Just go under bodies, right click, opacity, and I pick 10%. You can adjust it. Okay, now once you have your material as a solid, we can go into manufacture and create a setup. Now the setup, we're going to use, I use let's see, the ZX axis plane so I can qualify it. Now this one actually shows that it's in the right spot. So, but I'm going to select it anyways, Z, and then the X axis. It flipped, so I'm just going to put it back. Now under stock box point, I'm going to use the front bottom, and that sets up our material so we can do all the programming from it. Under material here, just say from solid, pick it, and it knows. And then you can put in whatever name you're going to use in the machine. And the one there's for me, that's just to tell it G54. You don't need that. Oh, now the model in the sketch right here, we're going to go under the original bodies and click on that, and that's our actual machining parts. So now our setup is all set up and ready to machine. Now you seem to have the machining part down, so I think it was just a 0 that you were having problems with, and that the material size wasn't straight up. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll send Mike this file and he can get it to you. Have a good one. Bye.